Sometimes it is the little things that make a difference. And this has been missing from Kajabi. And now we finally have a share button. You can add share buttons onto your website and landing pages within Kajabi. And what that means is, unlike a regular button that will take someone through to a website page, through to a social media page, if someone clicks on share, it will allow them to quickly and easily share that page, either through social media. You can directly copy the link, send it as an email, and it is a nice way to encourage people to actually share things like your webinar registration, your course, free guide, whatever it is. It will instantly create a post when you click onto the socials, or an email. It will open up the email client and someone can quickly and easily share it. It is pretty cool, and I'm going to show you how you can add this onto your Kajabi site. In case you are new here, by the way, I'm Sue from the Unicorn Advisory. I'm your trusted Kajabi expert, and this is a Kajabi quick tip. Now, before we jump in and have a look at how to do it, just thought I'd let you know this is a little sneaky preview of Little Picasso, our newest template, Kajabi template that is going to be released very, very soon. It's pretty cool. We love this bento box style, so that is coming soon. But before we can add this button to the page, something that you may need to do, depending if you see this word update next to the page that you want to add it on, you'll need to update it first. So if you are going to add this onto a page somewhere on your site and you don't have the share button option, pretty high chance you'll need to update it. So you can just click onto update and preview update and go through and update the page. Now, something as well to remember, if you do want to put it onto a funnel page, if you go into your funnels and into pages, you may not see that update button. So if you don't have the option to share and you're not seeing update, it might be that you actually need to click on these three dots and go onto update page, see whether it says your template is up to date, or if you click on it, this one needs to be updated, and click on update, it will tell you that an update is available. So again, you're just going through and do exactly the same. Just go and preview that update and update now. And we give it a minute or two for it to think and update. And then once it is updated, we will be able to add that social block onto any section on your Kajabi page. So we'll give it a minute. All right, update is complete, so we can now go and add it to the page. So let's go and take a look at this page so we can add this section. So I'll show you how I created this section at the bottom. So we're going to go into our page. We're going to come down to this personal invitation. So what I have added is just a text box here, which I'll come down to the bottom so you can see it. So I've added in a text box just with some information. You don't have to do that. You could just add just the button on there, but I think giving it a little bit of context is always helpful. And then we have this social share button. But let's pretend we didn't have the social share button and we're going to add one in. So I'm going to hide that and I'm going to add content. When I go to add content and scroll down the list, I will see the option for social share. So like I said, if you don't see that, you may need to update your page. And then we're going to have a button here. You can change the wording, add extra information, put something other than share, share with your friends, whatever you want to put in there. That little link icon is always going to show up. So that will automatically be applied. You can then go and customize the button and make it be whatever it wants. It's going to default to the settings on your page. So if you are using a template, it will look like the other buttons on the page. But of course, you can go and change the background color, text color, style, outline, size, all of those kinds of things, and border radius, etc. And then that's it. That's all you need to do. Then that share button will be on your page. Save that and then go to preview the page. We'll refresh this so you can see. And da-da, you now have your share button on your page that is clickable. All of these come up automatically. There isn't a way to change how this shows up or which social media options there are. The only options that you have are changing the color and the styling and the size of the button. So all of this is going to come up automatically. And there you have it. Brand new feature, share buttons on Kajabi pages. They can be added to any Kajabi landing page. And funnel pages are landing pages. So funnel page, landing page, or website page. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. If you would like more quick tips or awesome Kajabi videos, please do subscribe. I always do a happy dance whenever anyone subscribes to my channel. So no, I will be whooping with delight if you decide to do that. And of course, find more awesome Kajabi resources and information at our website, theunicornadvisory.com. See you next time.